Welcome, I am Clarissa, and I know you just want to see what you are going to be getting if you invest in the Roadmap 3.0. In my opinion, it is so disrespectful to your money and to your time when you don't buy what you think you were going to buy. Am I right? So let me remind you that this course will be both in English and in Spanish. You're going to have both languages as well with the community both in English and in Spanish. This community that everyone talks about will teach you along the way and support you and grow with you with people all over the world. And before we start, I want to answer one of the questions that is very popular and we all ask ourselves before making a purchase: how much is it? And because it does come with MRR, can I sell it if I choose a payment option? Yes, you can sell the course after the first payment of $125, or you could just pay the full price of $497. And another famous question: how long did it take you to start making money? Don't miss the answer later on in the video, especially if you are one of those people who have bought different courses and done different things, different side hustles to generate income and still don't see results. Let's get started because I want to show you the course that will break the mold of insecurities that you might have, the poverty mentality, and finally not have to go to 1,000 different jobs because you can barely get by. Let's start here. You will see when you enter something called the library. You still have access to the Roadmap 2.0. I don't know how long this will be or if it's going to be there forever, but you can see the Roadmap 2.0, the community, the Roadmap 3.0 version, along with the Spanish version, along with that community. Does that make sense? That was a lot. All right, let's get into the course. You can see that I am at 0% because I just released the new version and I want you to be the first one to see it along with me. This is almost like Netflix style. It's easy to consume, it's easy to navigate, but one of the most important and efficient parts of this browser menu navigation is the two little arrows. You push those and everything will pop up. My favorite part is the search engine because if you're anything like me, I am forgetful and this will help you a lot. So let's just say that I was learning about emails. You type it in here and you will get all of the videos that talk about emails. So you kind of understand what I'm talking about, right? So let's move on. You have tech support. You have text support. Okay, let's move on. This next big thing is your personalized invite link. What is it? This is the link that you will give to your clients when they have already purchased your course. This is so they could go in and make their own profile and start learning. But you have to be very careful in giving this link out because if they have not purchased the link and you give the link out, then you technically gave that course for free. And even though that sounds amazing, wouldn't it be such a blessing to get this course for free? It is not allowed according to the terms and conditions. So that's why, my friends, it is important to read your disclosures. So next is your personalized link login. This is different. This is where you can track all of your customers, how much sales you've made, and I don't have to really explain it, right? Okay, all right, the Roadmap community. Let's get in here. There are calendars with live calls every week. There will also be live calls in there in Spanish. And there are different conversations going. You'll see some troubleshooting, some testimonials you could use for your own business. So here in my favorites are all the videos that you gave a little star on top, and now they are saved here so it's easier for you to find them. So let's get to the nitty-gritty. The course. The creators of the Roadmap, Zach and Hannah, modified this version in stages 1 to 5. Let's talk about stage 1, the foundation of everything. Why you're here, why you want to learn, how to start. Each phase has its modules, and within the modules, there are videos. So it will be stage, modules, videos. Let's see. This is the introduction, which is super important to see first and go in order. Then you'll see the community benefits, and then finally the modules. There are things like digital entrepreneurialism, building a solid business, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch the names. I'm gonna be opening them because if I name every single video, we're gonna be here all day. So you can pause and analyze, review, examine, and take note of all that you are missing out on. Phase 2, atomization. Oh, that's how you say it in Spanish. Blah, blah. Phase 2, automation. What is automation? You know, when people say that they only work 1 or 2 hours a day and make a crap ton of money, and they make money while they sleep, well, that's because they have everything automated. This phase has a lot of videos, as you can see, and don't be intimidated by all these words because like you, or maybe it was just me, I had no idea what any of these names meant, but you will learn. All right, let's go to stage 3, generating traffic. Why do I have to generate traffic? Is that followers? Well, you still need traffic for your business, like any other business. Here you will learn the strategies for your content. And if you don't know how to create a profile on TikTok, or you don't even know what TikTok is, this is the phase for you. Because as you can see, there's all the social media platforms there is to make money online. Moving on to phase 4, your offer. What does that mean? If you're going to sell tacos, how much are you going to sell those tacos for? And the price that you put those tacos for in Mexico are not going to be the same as in Canada. This phase will actually show you how to research your competition and put an idea into paper and actually make a prototype, which story time. This module was also one that I helped out with, and it was a great blessing to me and my husband because now we are actually thinking of making another business, a business where my husband can do something that he is really passionate about, like hunting. And now we are in the prototype phase. Like what? This is the material we want. This is the functionalities that we need it to have. All of those things. You guys, dream big. And finally, phase 5, customer service. If you're not there for your customers, the customer is not going to be there for your business. They are the ones that are going to make your business grow and start up. So now that you have all of this information and you are still not convinced that this course will help you transform your business that you have always wanted to do but have no idea how to do it, well, I'm sorry, my friends, I don't know what to tell you. Unfortunately, if there is no dedication, passion, and determination in whatever you do, then the chances of you giving up are much greater. So just get together with like-minded people who are going to encourage you, who are going to be aligned with your dreams and your business or whatever. Start following people on social media so you learn from them. There's a lot of free information out there too, and digest it and learn from it, but without the right information and education, without having to go to college, will just make it harder. But I know that you are here because you are curious about how all of these people are making money online, and you're sick of going to work all day long, every day, missing out on your family, and working until you die. And if you speak 2 languages, you are much more likely to make it work and drastically change your life. I just pray that God gives you the determination and the finances, if that's something that's stopping you, so you can start this journey. Now the big question, how long did it take you to make money? This is the deal. I don't know you. I don't know your work ethic. I don't know what knowledge you have. So no one can say you can make this much amount of money in this amount of time. And if they do, run. I believe in good, honest, hard work, but believe me, if you put in the time in the beginning to make everything work, you are going to experience time freedom. If you found this video at all useful, let me know in the comments, as well as any questions that you might have. Be sure to like and follow for more videos explaining more in detail what the modules are about. I have to go. Nap time's over. I gotta go change diapers. Bye.